Yep, that feels real good. Oh
Real,
yeah.
real warm.
On today's episode of Buy or DIY,
Selena's drag room is starting to wig her out.
They're all in bags.
Oh
'cause
my
I have nowhere to put them.
Selena needs help storing her unique pieces so that getting ready is as easy as 1-2 drag.
I'm going to find the perfect buy. Why can't I say that word?
And I'm gonna find a solution with the DIY. Who's missing a head?
At the end, Selena is going to pick which one she likes best.
Oh my god.
This is Buy or DIY.
Hey Dani and Alexandra, I am Nicky Nasrallah, otherwise known as the drag queen Selena Vyle. I need help with my drag room. I have this tiny little space up here which is not extremely functional. I have about 30 different wigs. They are all on the floor because I don't really know how to properly display them. I need my wigs to be on display, hanging in a way where I can see them and easily access them. I have about 15 pairs of shoes, but I am building my collection, so somewhere where I can display my shoes would also be a bonus. I'm working with about a $400 budget. Hope you can help me.
Oh, I love this idea. This
Me
is so
too.
cool.
I also love the idea of putting all of your belongings out on display, right? I feel like I could win this one because organization is one of my many specialties.
Yeah, but because of its kind of like unconventional nature,
True.
I feel like I can really cater to what he wants.
That's
you know?
true. We'll see.
But guys, before we get into this, if you haven't already subscribed to Coral, make sure you do because we got some awesome content coming up in season 2.
So true. And make sure you hit that bell notification so you don't miss any new uploads from us. It's inspired me to like maybe invest in some wigs so I can have purple hair too.
I mean, you should just dye your hair purple.
True.
It'd be fun. We give you purple sisters.
This episode is all about finding alternative ways to keep organized, especially when you have things that just won't fit inside your closet, like Nicky does. He's got tons of wigs and dresses that he wants to keep organized and on display. So here's my plan. For Nicky's buy, I want to turn his storage room into a fun and unique display for all of his drag. I'm off to some stores that can help me find the perfect organizing solutions. I'm looking for over-the-door storage, I'm looking for an open shelving clothing rack, and I'm looking for other unconventional ways to organize the unique pieces he has in his space.
Selena is the queen of unexpected, so I have an idea that's gonna blow her wig off. Or on? I'm going to build 3 open face floating shelves that will be painted a crisp white on the outside but dazzle you with bright hot pink on the inside. Bring in the color, baby. Next, I'm gonna take galvanized pipe fittings to create mannequin headstands across the top of the shelves. Of course, we can't leave those metal, so I'm gonna spray paint them fun neon colors to make them pop. As the last fun, unexpected element, I'm going to add pops of color to the mannequin heads by giving each queen some colorful fake lashes. I hope Alexandra's ready for this one because when she sees my DIY, she's gonna be wigging out.
Nicky's got 10 pairs of shoes just for his drag shows and a really small space to organize them all. This is actually a question I get a lot. I have tons of shoes, one closet, what do I do? Now you may think that a traditional floor shoe rack is the solution, but actually those take up a lot of valuable floor space, especially when you are working with a small closet. So what I love to use are these over-the-door shoe storage racks. This one holds 24 shoes, which is perfect for Nicky because his shoe collection is growing.
All right, so we are building a wig stand. Never built a wig stand before, but I have built a shelf, and that's what we're gonna build, so no prob, Bob. I'm going to pre-drill, add a little wood glue, like so. Amazing. Now, it's like half the job's already done. Make sure this is nice and flush, like my skin. We have our shelf. Don't be so shelfish, let's build 2 more.
If you think your bedroom is too small for a dresser, think again. A piece like this works double duty in a small bedroom because you can use it as a side table. So Nicky actually has a daybed in his dressing room, and so he could totally put a dresser like this beside the daybed. It could hold all of his accessories, his makeup, even his shoes, and then act as a functioning side table for when his guests come over. I love how this has also been set up as a vanity, so it's actually working like triple duty and doing more than one thing.
No. This is fun. It's like wrapping a present, but it doesn't need to look nice, which is basically like all of my presents. I always say it's wrapped with love. So I'm just going to protect my breathing abilities. It's nice, right? Can we just talk about how good this color is? Oh, I love it! Da-da-da. Nice. Okay guys, I'm not gonna lie, like that looks rad. So what I'm using is a paint and primer in one. It's one of those moments where you just put music on and enjoy your time. This is looking dope. I don't know what Alexandra's doing right now. She's probably out shopping, you know, just chilling. We're doing some real DIY work in here.
I feel like people can get nervous when it comes to open clothing storage. I think there's a tendency to think that it's gonna look super messy, but the key is finding a beautiful clothes rail like this. So something in wood or metal, something that matches back to your decor can look really nice in your space. So the key is not to put your entire wardrobe on one of these. What I like to do is put like my key outfits of the week or like my pieces of clothes that I really like to have on display. So it's freeing up a little bit of closet space, but also creating a functional clothing rail that's not an eyesore. I want to find something like this for Nicky because he has these beautiful dresses that just won't fit in his closet. They're a little fragile. So something like this could be really great so that when people walk into the room, the first thing that they see are his beautiful drag dresses and they're going to be kept organized. So I've got my storage solution. I need to find hangers that are going to attach onto this to hang all of Nicky's wigs.
Brenda, Sally, Sarah, Heather, Billy. Welcome to Dani's salon. Okay, ladies, who would like to go first? Oh, you do? Brenda, welcome. What we're going to do to our queens today is give them beautiful fake lashes. Brenda, which color would you like your lashes to be today? I'm sorry, speak up. Blue? Blue. No, no, no. No. You can't have two colors. Make up your mind, Brenda. We're going purple then. We got a little tacky glue here. Okay, Brenda, don't move. We're just gonna pop that on top. Now, a little acupuncture. Oh, simmer down. It doesn't hurt that much. Brenda, do you think that Nicky's going to pick my DIY? That's rude. I know Alexandra does a very good job when she designs. I know, but we're better. Jeez, know your place. Okay, Brenda, you're all done. Who's next?
I brought you a gift. I feel nervous about this.
No, don't. It's great.
What is it?
Dani, why? I just wanted to give you a head start in the competition.
It's awful.
Hey, girl.
Oh, hi. So this is my space, my beautiful drag room.
Oh my God, I love it.
As you can see, it's very small.
Yes.
And I've got a lot of stuff.
You've got a lot of wigs.
They're all in bags.
Oh my
'cause I have nowhere to put them.
Girl.
It would be so great to get these like up on the wall, on display.
Yes.
So when you walk in here, you're like, this is my drag room.
I want to see them.
And then you have this amazing.
That is my paper gown that
Wow.
I've worn in performance.
Oh my God, I love it.
Amazing.
Did you DIY that?
My drag mother made it for me. It
Wow.
has been DIY'd.
You see, there's a lot of DIYs happening in this room. I'm feeling quite confident.
Okay. So put this blindfold on.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna lead you out of the room and reveal our buy and our DIY to you. Are you ready?
All right, let's do it. I'm so scared.
Are you ready?
No!
Oh my gosh.
Let's do
I'm
it.
nervous. Okay, ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god! What? Where'd you get all those heads from? That's amazing.
What do you think?
This is insanely cool. My wigs have never looked better. Aw, can I keep them both?
Okay, well, we both have a lot to say about
Yes.
each. So
Yes, I wanna hear
let me
it.
walk you through my DIY.
Okay.
Okay. This DIY will hold 15 of your favorite wigs. It's beautifully white on the outside and a hot pink on the inside. And you can keep all your accessories and like anything that you want to go with the wigs can be held in each of the shelves. I wanted to give each one of these queens a little flair, so I added some beautiful bright lashes to give them a little personality. Because doesn't it help?
It's
Doesn't
adorable.
Doesn't
and
it
the
make
purple
the wigs?
with the purple.
Right?
Nice touch.
I love me some purple.
I think it's super cool. I love that you use the neon pink. I think it's amazing that I can see all my wigs so clearly. It makes it look really fancy. Like it looks like a real drag room. Like, and it gives them each a personality. I love it.
You gave us a budget of $400. I saved you over $100 with this DIY. So girl, you can go buy some extra wigs, you can invest in items to put on those shelves, but at least this problem is solved.
That was great, but I also want to talk through my buy.
Yes,
Because
please.
there's a lot going on here. So I know you love color. Dani gave you tons of color, but I really wanted to focus on function. I wanted something that did, more than just one thing, like hold wigs. So I got you this open clothes rack. So it's meant for like a small space for clothes. And then I got you these amazing wig hangers.
Ooh, oh.
Good, right? So when you
Yeah.
wash your wigs, they're meant to help like the wigs dry. They also make great hangers, and I just love how they're all like on display. I've only put 4, you could totally fit more. And then there's tons of shelves here. You get a lot of uses out of this. It's multifunctional. You could change this to all shoes, so you could put your dress on display. I just wanted this to be a piece that you customized yourself.
So what I love about this one is that I can display my wigs, but also the hanging space is really great because I do have those awkward pieces like my big paper dress, so that's very functional. And I don't have plants in my house, so that's a nice little touch.
So I spent a little bit more than Dani. I spent $310. And I also thought like if you move or, if you move your drag room, it's a pretty versatile piece that you can pick up and take with you.
Yeah.
So the time has come for you to decide, are you going to buy or are you going to DIY?
Can't I do both?
Oh, I'm sorry.
You gotta pick one.
This is intense. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Do you know?
Let it be.
I think I know.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with the one that I wasn't expecting, which is the DIY. It's just so cool and unexpected. I just seeing all the wigs on display really affected me.
Yeah.
It made me a little bit emotional. Like this is me. Like in so many different sides of my personality.
All your legacy.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, I'm so happy to bring that to you.
Oh.
So happy.
But also, oh, I loved what you did too.
Let's go put it on your wall.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Yay.
5, 6, 7, 8. Good job.
That was a really fun episode. Thank you for joining us.
I had so much fun. Thank you for this.
It's been amazing.
But we want to know what you think in the comments down below. Were you team buy?
Or team DIY.
Let us know and we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.